everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT write an essay for you. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us. It's super easy to do, so without any further delay, let's carry on with our video. In order to make ChatGPT write an essay for you, firstly, you'll have to open up any web browser of your choice. Once the main tab is open, click on the search bar and then type in the URL chat.openai.com, and once you are done, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will end up in the chat box of ChatGPT. Once you've reached this page, all you have to do is tap on the send a message button and then write an essay with the topic you want the essay on. For now, I'm using Mount Everest as a reference. Once you are done writing, click on the send button, which is on the right side of the slot you are writing in. Once you click on the send button, that's all you have to do. Now ChatGPT will do all the work for you and write an essay on the topic you've given it. That's how it's done. As you can see, the ChatGPT is now writing an essay for me on the topic I've given it. That's pretty much it for today. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will surely be back with more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected and goodbye till then.